Hello guys, welcome to the TechHench. In this series, we will cover various topics of Selenium. Today, we are going to cover a topic of downloading files with Selenium. As we know that Selenium is designed to cover or test only UI-based applications, browser-based applications, but we can still perform scenarios like uploading and downloading files. So in this topic, we will cover the test of how we will validate downloading a file from any given application, which is a very common scenario across applications where user has to download files. One can download files and can verify if the file is downloaded or not. Okay, so let's just start this by creating a scratch project. We will create a simple Maven project. I will select this simple Maven project or to skip archetype. We will make artifact ID as Selenium. Okay, we'll add two Selenium examples. Let us see. Create a new project. Okay, as you can see, project is being created. So a simple scratch project is created. So let's just begin with adding few dependencies that we need for this. The first and foremost would be to add dependencies tag. We will add this, and we will need two dependencies. One is Selenium for sure. So let's just go and download Selenium dependency first. Okay, yeah, this is Selenium. I'll download the latest version. Take the dependency of the latest version. Along with that, we would need dependency of WebDriver Manager. Again, we will check out the latest version. This is to automatically, by using this WebDriver Manager, one need not to worry about downloading the suitable driver for the browser that you have. It will automatically adjust that. So our POM is complete. We just need these two dependencies. So let's just go to the main and create a new package, which is ideal approach to create a package and then a class. So let's just give this package name examples. Okay, in examples, we will add a new class here. We'll name this as download files. Okay. So let's just begin with direct main method. I'm not introducing testng here to execute. We'll just execute with main method only. This is just to showcase that how one can use basically uh, how one can download files. So for this we will have to use Chrome options. Uh, Selenium provides uh, Selenium provides us with facility to provide few Chrome options, which can help us to control various aspects of Chrome. So for this we need two of them. So it is like, a Chrome or a different browser has different types of properties. For example, if you download any file, you get a prompt, right? Sometimes you get a prompt and you have to select the location where you want to download and then save the name of the file and then save it. Or there is an options to, like, for example, credential managers. I'm just giving examples, the kind of options it gives us. Like credential managers, once you log in, it gives you option to save credentials, so that you can also control. But here we will, since we are following this uh, example of downloading files, we will capture these only. For this, we would need uh, to use this. Let me explain this to you. Uh, let's just first import the values. We'll import map from Java util, hash map from Java util. Okay. So we would need to define various preferences. For that, you would need a prefs. Any object name can be any, but you need a map of string object. Okay. This is used by other method that we will use. And this way you would have to define few properties that you want to control. Okay, the pref so first, so in this map we are using putting this first value. This is download dot prompt for downloads. So it is like, so when you click on download you get a prompt where the file is to be downloaded. So it's like we will set this to false so that whenever script clicks on a download button and that prompt do not appear. The second one is to define the default directory of this download. So this would be download or default underscore directory, right? Simple. And you would have to define a path where you want your files to be downloaded. Okay. So I want to, for verification, I want to download the files in a downloaded underscore files folder. You can give any name. So here I'm defining the paths like system.get user property. It will give me path till this project wherever we are, in wherever system we are. And I'm using a file separator. You can directly use single slash or double slash as well. I'll use file separator. It will give me the file separator as per the system where this project is being used, and this is the download files. What I'll do, I will print this path as well so that we get to see what this path exactly is. Okay, I'll sys out this path. Okay, this will print the path of download, and this we will get to see how done. And this is the folder where we that should be present in the project where we want our files to be downloaded. So I'll create a new folder here. Simple. I will create a new folder with this name. Sorry, yeah. So folder name has come up here. Here you define the folder name, finish. So this folder has come up. As you can see, there is no file in here. Okay, and this is to define preferences. Define preferences, and this is this is to define preferences. And mm, further we will use this with Chrome options. So we have to use this method, use in Chrome options. Okay, so we'll have to use the method, this you declare you have to create an object for this class Chrome options. Similarly, for other browsers, we have like Firefox options, etc. Since we are using Chrome, we'll use this for this. Chrome options equal to new Chrome options. Okay, let's import this from Selenium. Now, using this options, we will have to use a method called set experimental options. This is to, in this Chrome options, we will set this preferences. So you have to see this method, it expect a name, string value and object value, right? So it can be any object. For this object we will pass this preferences map, and this name of this must be prefs. Okay, so this way it works. This is standard name pref, so it will set the Chrome options as these preferences. Okay, so we will not get any download prompt, and this directory will be used for downloading the files. Now what we need is we need to start WebDriver directly, right? And firstly we will use WebDriver manager, or yeah, WebDriver manager. Let's just set driver up. So for this we would use WebDriver manager dot chrome driver dot setup. These methods we will directly call with class name. No object needs to be declared for WebDriver manager. And now we can simply use driver is equal to new. Okay, we haven't declared driver is equal to new Chrome driver. This will give me a driver instance, right? We'll have to import this WebDriver. Uh, Wait, why it is not getting? It should be. Driver is equal to new Chrome. Okay, yeah. Driver. Mm, web driver. Driver is equal to new. Driver. Mm, This should come from Selenium. Import. Let's just use import directly. Let's see. Its WebDriver has come up. Now Chrome driver should give me options. Selenium Chrome driver. So this comes from Selenium package, Selenium Chrome.chrome options, and Selenium.WebDriver. Okay. So WebDriver is here. Now we just need a sample website where we will perform the download action. So I have found one website. This is examplefile.com, and I'm just directly jumping to this page so that we can download from this link. So for this, navigate, right? For this, we will use driver.get method, and we'll pass the URL where we want to navigate. We will maximize the driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. This will maximize the browser window. Then would be to um, click on download button, right? So for that we will need next part to this download button. Let's just inspect this. Okay, I'll write an export for this. Let me split screen so that we get to see this everything clearly. Okay, this is under a div called purchase button mv-1. So div with a class is equal to, so this is very much important to know in order to run a script that we to find various web elements. We need to know how to write XPaths. So under this, if you don't know how to write XPaths, then must find a video to how to write on how to write XPaths. So writing XPath is very crucial in this. So this is now pointing to this download button here, right? We need this one only. So what we will use the click method, driver dot find element. How to find element? By XPath, by dot XPath. We will provide XPath, and on this find element we will perform method click. So what this will do? This will perform a click operation on this button, and the file will automatically be downloaded to this download files folder, right? So since there is no file till now, we'll see how this downloads. Let's just start execution of this. Okay, yeah, maximize. It has clicked on download. As you can see, file has downloaded directly, right? So let's just have a look on the location of this download. Let's just refresh this. Okay, we refresh this project. Downloaded files, yeah, right? It should be downloaded files. Okay, first of all, what was the location printed? C user Raghav. This Eclipse, this Selenium examples. Selenium examples. This is a project. Under this downloaded file, it should download, right? Okay, yeah, we missed one very important step here. As you can see, it has downloaded file, but what happened? It has not downloaded to the location that where we wanted to do. Because why? Because we have declared preferences, we have added that to options, but we have never used that options while defining our WebDriver. So in order to get this done, what we have to do is we need to pass this in the Chrome driver method, right? This way, these options will be used by this driver sessions, right? So now let's just again, I'll close the already existing script. So let's just have a look on this again. Now we will see this would download the file to the folder that we have created. Okay, the page is open. maximized, clicked on download. It has downloaded the PDF file again. Let's just refresh this again. A second, let's just refresh this. Yes, now it has refreshed. As you can see, this file is downloaded here. Double click to open this up. Yeah, this is the sample file downloaded. So this way we can manage the scenarios of downloading files. And I mean, uh, if there is a scenario to download a file, what we can do is, clear the folder before downloading any file, and we can manage the script to download the file, and then after downloading we can verify in this folder with Java methods that if there is any file present. If file is present, that means download was successful. So this way the download scenarios can be handled. So we'll keep continuing this kind of various topics of Selenium, and we'll cover in next videos. Please do like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.